All this on Temu for $0, 0 Swiss francs, 0 euro. Come and let me show you. All this, all this, all this. See, all this for $0. All this. You see, electric wine set, digital kitchen scale, smart glasses, Chinese chopping stick, electric grinder set, USB, RGB microphone, pin bags with nozzle, 15 pieces, PC web camera, in-focus LED video light, salad bowls, cookie scatter, micronet sieve. Yeah, and dress, you heard me right. All that for 0 Swiss francs, 0 euro, $0. Just copy my code, put it in Temu search bar, copy my link down in the description section and check it out.